In May, Guelph's housing market remained steady from a price perspective, but both listings and sales both continued to drop. I'll discuss this further, but first let's take a look at some of the key metrics of all of our local markets relative to May of last year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $798,500, up by 1.1%. The median days to sell was 15 days, which is up by 15.4%. The total number of listings were 443, down by 23%, and the total number of sales was 174, down by 37.9%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $695,500, down by 7%. In Waterloo, it was $795,500, down by 0.6%. And in Cambridge, it was $728,500, down by 2.9%. As mentioned, Guelph's real estate market showed signs of holding steady, at least when it comes to prices. The median sale price in the city rose slightly by 1.1% from last year. But beyond that small price increase, the overall pace of the market continued to slow. Homes took a little bit longer to sell, now averaging 15 days on the market, and both the number of listings and the number of sales declined significantly compared to last May. For buyers, this shift could mean less pressure. With fewer buyers actively making offers and homes sitting on the market a bit longer, there's more time to make thoughtful decisions and potentially negotiate a better deal. With that said, the 23% fewer homes available, the selection may feel more limited, especially for those looking for specific locations or features. Sellers, on the other hand, can take comfort in the fact that prices are holding up, but they may need to adjust their expectations around timing and demand. The pool of active buyers is smaller, which means that it's much more important than ever to price competitively and present homes well to attract serious interest. In summary, May's numbers show a market that's balancing itself. Prices remain strong, but activity has slowed, fewer listings, fewer sales, and slightly longer selling times. For both buyers and sellers, success in this market will come from patience, preparation, and knowing how to make the most of current conditions. If you're thinking about buying or selling this year, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm here to help you navigate the market with confidence. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.